Hey there, Mike Walker here with Brownstone Hunt Real Estate, and today I have a quick tip of the day. So let me ask you a question. What do you think is the number one thing that new home buyers are looking for in a home? Well, if you said a dedicated laundry area, you would be correct. So in a recent study done by the National Association of Realtors, they surveyed home buyers, and that was the question they asked them. What was the one thing that they really were looking for in a new home? And overwhelmingly 87% of all those home buyers that were interviewed said a dedicated laundry area. So what does that mean for you? Well, if you're in the process of listing your home now or even in the future, next few months or whatever, you need to actually think about possibly sprucing up that laundry area. That could be something as simple as adding some paint, some shelving, maybe a bar to hang some clothes, to air dry those. Whatever it is, just little things like that can tweak your laundry area and make it that much more appealing to the eye and to the new home buyer. Same thing goes if you're an investor or flipper. You may want to spend a little bit of time on that laundry area just to spruce it up and make it look really, really nice. So if you like this tip and you want some more tips just like this, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels. I can be found at Mike Walker SC Realtor, Facebook, Instagram, and even on YouTube. So until the next video, guys, hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.